Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see that how to create the outlining like embroidery for the all the flower frame that we have created in our previous video. So for that I have used this 4 thread that you can see on the video. It's 3 sets of pink and 1 white. So let's get started with it. So first I try to create it with from lazy daisy style. So it's just that I have first drawn and vertical lines, small vertical lines over there, and then after creating it you can see I have created it into the round format. And then what I did, I'll just put my needle into the thread, put my needle into the middle part, and then one by one I'll just take out my thread from one, making a flower leaf part. So you can see in this video that how I'm creating it. So you can see I'm just putting my needles, like taking in my needles out from back side, in front, in the middle, and then what I'm doing, just putting my thread into the vertical line that I have created before, and then it will give you the form of a flower petals. So in that way I'm just creating it, and I will create it for all the verticals line that I have made in this video. You can see here. So but by doing this step and step you will create a very good looking flower, and this is called a lazy daisy kind flower. So now I have created a woven rose. So for that also I have just putted the vertical lines, but this vertical line are bigger than the previous one, and then I putted the threads in alternative vertical line and created a woven rose flower type. So you can see, also watch my previous videos on the basic flower types tutorial where I have given it the detailed video like format, so you can go and check my video there. So this is the way I've created the woven rose, and then I moved back to the bigger one. So first I have given it the outline. So you can see it is different from the woven rose because it is a different type of woven rose. So where I just left a gap in the middle of the pattern that I have created, and then across it I have created a 5 vertical lines as we did in the woven rose flower format. And then what I did for first round, I have given I have just putted my thread across all the 5 verticals line, and then once it's done, then I have created followed the same step that I was following in the woven rose, where I was just doing the embroidery on the alternate threads. After that I have just in the middle part that I have left left, I used the I have created knot type stitch over there, and I just fill the gap with the 2 strands knot type, so as you can see in the video. So after doing it, so it's got completed. Then I just created a bunches of lazy daisy and woven rose. As you can see the pattern in this video, like in down you can see there are two woven rose. One is bigger in the size, and the another one is the smaller size, and two lazy daisy with different color combination. So as in the videos I have already shows that I have created all this with the uses of 4 flowers, and I have given the code number also, so you can go and rewind my video and watch it. So after doing that, again I have first created the lazy daisy, and again the same pattern that I have followed is first putting up the vertical lines around the circle, that the outline that I have created, and then from the middle I am just given the flower petals type of embroidery over there. So you can see this is how I created a lazy daisy. Again you can watch this detailed video in my previous videos that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel with the title basic sleeve embroidery. So you can see I have created 2 lazy daisy and then 1 woven rose. So this is a 3 pattern flower, three types of bunches of flower that I have created over there. But you can see here down the below I have created 4 types, 2 woven and 2 lazy daisy. So this is the way you can create. First create the flower and then Okay, so let's first create this woven rose with different colors. So you can choose any type of combinations of flowers over there. It's on you. So now let's create the leaves with different shades of green color. So I have uses one lighter shade and two darker shades, but these three shades are different. Like the number you can see 8037 for this. So these three all are the different shades that I have taken for it. And let's get started with the leaves. So I have also given the variation in the leaf pattern. So first I have uses a straight format leaf pattern, but although I didn't like it, so I just go back to like giving it with making a flower with a different pattern. So you can see here, first I have used the 6 strand strays, like when 6 strand leaf, where I am just with the use of six stitches, you can see. So for first I have created one vertical line, and then around it, around left and right, I have created 2 2 3 3 smaller leaf pattern again. Then in the second pattern, you can see I have created it with using, like in the middle part, like I have shortened it, because there I was using the full strand, like full long video, and then you can see it, but I like this leaf pattern always, so that's why I just switch it to it. Then all the outlines that I have created for the leaf, giving it a good mix of combination of these three different colors of green. I have created all the leaf patterns. So as you can see in the video, you when you will go over there, like I have first created again same, giving it a good mixture of color. Like I used only these three threads, and but I have combined, like I have somewhere I have just used only darker side, but sometimes I use the lighter shades, lighter shades of the color. So it's depend on how you want to give variation to it. It's not compulsory that you do it in the same way. It's on you. You can choose your variations and you can do it. So this is all up to you. This is all up to your choices. This is all up to your wishes. There is anything that you can change, mix, match. It's on you. So as you can see here, I have created the same frame. Okay, so just doing it, I have just done and completed, finished my all the leaf patterns using the same embroidery type. And after giving it like a good I finished it, then I have used the brown color shade over there to give it just an outlining, so that it's look like a round shape. So then I just used this brown color for it, and then I just we were tracing the outline for this, then at that time I have used the circular pattern. So for giving this it a circular pattern, I used the brown threads to highlight that circular end. And then I will basically attach all the flowers to each others by this using this brown color shades. So as you can see here in the video, I'm just attaching and giving it a good circular shape over here with the color uses of brown. And now after finishing it this brown color, what I'll just give it a, you can see there are some outlines you can see over there. So I'm just filling those all pattern with the lighter shade of green color. And you can see here, this is how I have created it. And I will finish it up like first I will just give it a good lighter shades like colors. And then after completing it, I will also use another pattern, like another flower. You can also call it a bird flower, but it is using the knot type only. So okay, so you can see I have completed all the lighter shades like outline, and then I used the knot type to fill all my giving it a good ending over here. So you can see I have used the knot type at the end of all the lighter shades of green color. So there where I was seeing the gap, I'm just using it, putting the knot over there, so that it's look complete, and it doesn't feel like there is a gap and anything that looking not good. So I'm just filling it with the knot type. As you can see, all the lighter shades green I have all given the knot type over there. So that's it for the video. So Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this embroidery design, then please hit like button to it and subscribe to my channel for the more videos. Till then, bye bye, take care.